in upcoming videos, I will show you how I build this micro studio, and this is possibly the smallest studio for YouTuber anywhere in the world. And for that I needed some power tools. When it comes to DIY projects, having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of home improvement, a quality paint spray gun can be a game changer. In this video, we will unbox and test the Parkside paint spraying gun, a popular choice among DIYers. We'll explore its features, usability and performance, helping you make an informed decision for your next painting project. The Parkside paint spraying gun arrives in a well-designed cardboard box that hints at the precision and quality that Parkside is known for. The packaging is sturdy and ensures that the contents are well protected during shipping. The true test of any paint spraying gun is its usability and performance. The Parkside paint spraying gun shines in this regard. Its user-friendly features and design elements make it suitable for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. The ergonomic grip ensures that your hand won't tire out quickly during extended projects. The adjustable nozzle is a standout feature that allows for precise control over the paint spray. Upon opening the box, you will find the following items: the user manual, 4 nozzles with diameter of 1.5 mm, 1.8 mm, 2.2 mm and 2.6 mm, which is pre-mounted. Viscosity measuring cup for measuring viscosity of up to 70 din per second. The additional filter. The inclusion of viscosity measuring cup is a thoughtful addition as it allows you to mix your paint to the perfect consistency for optimal spraying. Cleaning brush, cleaning needle, vertical flat spray of 1.2 liter screw-on paint container, Parkside paint spraying gun with non-slip, soft grip and 3-meter long cable. The Parkside paint spraying gun has a robust and well-constructed design. Its body is made of durable materials and the gun feels comfortable in hand. The gun's grip is ergonomic, which reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The overall design is user-friendly and straightforward, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. One notable feature of Parkside paint spray gun is its adjustable nozzle. This nozzle allows you to switch between horizontal, vertical, and round spray patterns, giving you full control over the direction and width of the paint stream. Adjusting the nozzle is quick and easy, making it versatile for various painting tasks, from walls to furniture and more. Setting up the Parkside paint spraying gun is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design. The user manual provides clear instructions on how to assemble the components, attach the paint container, and prepare the gun for use. Here are the basic steps. Attach the nozzle of your choice. Fill the 1.2-liter paint container with your paint following the recommended viscosity. Connect the paint container to the gun. Adjust the spray pattern using the nozzle adjustment knob. And plug in the power cord and you are ready to paint. Whether you need a wide fan pattern for large areas or a narrow stream for intricate details, the Parkside paint spraying gun delivers. The gun's trigger is responsive, enabling you to modulate the paint flow with ease. During our testing, we used the Parkside paint spraying gun to paint a variety of surfaces, including walls, wooden furniture, and metal surfaces. The gun handled each task with impressive versatility. The adjustable spray patterns allowed us to achieve even and consistent results, and the fine control made it easy to navigate corners and edges. Proper cleaning and maintenance are essential for the longevity of any paint spraying gun. The Parkside comes with a cleaning brush that simplifies the cleaning process. After using the gun, you can detach the paint container, disassemble the nozzle, and use the provided brush to clean any residual paint. Make sure to follow the user manual's instructions for cleaning and maintenance, as a well-maintained paint spraying gun will continue to perform optimally over time. Let's talk about the pros first. This paint spraying gun has robust build quality for durability. Second, adjustable nozzle serves for versatile spray patterns. Number 3. It has user-friendly and ergonomic design, and it is suitable for various DIY painting projects. And number 5. Setting up this paint spraying gun and cleaning it after work is super easy. When it comes to cons, power cord length may limit mobility in larger work areas, and while suitable for DIY projects, it may not be the ideal paint spraying gun for professional use. So, let's sum it up. The Parkside paint spraying gun proves to be a valuable addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Its robust construction, user-friendly design, and versatile spray patterns make it suitable for a wide range of painting projects. Whether you are tackling home renovations or sprucing up your furniture, this paint spraying gun offers precision and control that will save you time and effort. With proper care and maintenance, the Parkside paint spraying gun promises durability and consistent performance. While it may be not the best choice for professional painters, it certainly shines in the realm of DIY home improvement. So, if you are looking for an affordable and effective paint spraying gun, the Parkside is worth considering for your next project. I am also inviting you more of the videos where I will discuss how I build this micro studio, and this is possibly the smallest YouTuber studio in the world. Plus, if you want to learn something for your creative work like microphones, I have ongoing giveaway in which you can participate no matter where you place yourself on this planet, because this is a worldwide giveaway. So, thank you for watching. right after finishing watching this video, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, hit the like button and watch the giveaway video. We will see you soon. My name is Mario. Ciao.